everybody, it's your girl Dolores, just a pink girl in her pink world here on YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about how to make YouTube shorts in Canva. Um, we talked about at a certain time how to do uh other things, but I know I make a lot of shorts with quotes and different things on my channel, and I wanted to show you all how to do it. So let's get straight into it. Ladies and gentlemen, you might be noticing my Canva looks a little different from yours. Canva has this thing where it's 48 hours. It shows you all the new things. You can go through it. And so I clicked it and it changed my whole layout. Okay. So we'll get into the new things that they have at a later date. But today we're going to talk about how to do it. This will not only be beneficial for making YouTube shorts, but also when it comes to making those TikTok videos you want to make just for yourself. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, you will go to social media. And for those who don't know, the size that we're using for YouTube to make shorts is TikTok video. Okay, so we're gonna do this, and so I want to do mine's about love. So I'm going to type in, well, it's already out there, love. Okay. For those who don't know, if it has a crown, it's for pro users. If it's not, then you just have to do the free. You can do that by picking which one you want, and what size you're necessarily looking for. So I'm going to do vertical and go back to love, hit enter. Okay, so I want photos. That is pretty darn cute. I think that might work, but that's more of it has a lot of, okay, this is more of my alley if you don't know. Pink. We're gonna delete this one. And then I'm gonna put a text. As you see now, you can pick a certain type of text if you want. You can change it. It's up to you. So I think that's cute. We'll change the colors and things to fit. Let's just leave that part right there. Okay. And then my quote, which, let's see. My quote, we're going to, I've already figured it out. A lot of times I try to pre-figure out the quote. That way it is able for me to do. Matter of fact, let's delete this. We're going to just show you doing a regular text box. So add a text box. Okay, we can resize it, recolor it, redo whatever we want to with it. Okay, so I'm going to click it. Control V. Oh, wait a minute. It went off. Oh, it's not. It doesn't want to work today, ladies and gentlemen. The camera's like, not today. Not today, Satan. Not today. And I'm like, no, you're going to do as I say. So the quote today, I'm just going to type it out. Love is not about how much you say I love you, but how much you prove that it's true. Okay, so there we go. Love is not about how much you say it, how much you say I love you, but how much you prove is true. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, no matter how much you're prepared for these videos, I can tell you, your computer will do what it wants to do. Okay? So let's make this bold. I would try an effect. I'm going to do neon. As you see, it comes out gray. That's not what I want. I want to try it in that pink color. But let's go back to neon. And let's make the intensity high. So it has that white with the pink backplay. Okay, so I can do that as a photo. But now that I'm seeing it, I want a moving background. So let's just say go to video. And then I could choose this. Let's see. Place background. Similar backgrounds. This is how it'll look. Also, ladies and gentlemen, I tell everybody, stretch it out. Because the more you stretch it out, the more it stays. If you go too low, it'll block it out. If you go too wide, it'll block it out. So you just try to find your little niche in between. So it doesn't get you too much. I'd rather have it too far over to the side where everybody can read it than it'd be like not that way. Okay. So now with this background, I think that might be a little bit too light. So I can go back to effects. I want to now make it where, let's see if I don't want to outline it. Let's lift. Looks nice, but not as great. Outline. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we just outline this baby boy. And 15 seconds is good. I always do, if you see my shorts, I try to do the same thing but multiple backgrounds. So I would duplicate the page. And this time I would find a different background. So let's see. Again, let's see. Too blinky. You know, sometimes I will do some blinking backgrounds, but if it's too fast, too blinky, you never know. Now this is fast, but it's like one direction because you never know who is exactly watching your shorts. So we're going to drag that over as you see. I'm going to give you a good 5 seconds of this. And then we're going to see if we can do another one. Duplicate. And this one, looking up and down. You just really want a pink because, you know, I'm a pink girl in my pink world. So we're going to, this one is cute. We're going to do the opposite of this. Okay, now you see, it's okay. I can see it here. I can see it here. Here, I can't see it. So this is the moment where I would use a lighter pink or just go totally white. Doesn't hurt because doesn't all have to be the same. If I wanted to, I could make that a black. And see how it has the highlights on the back? So that it could be like that. So I'm going to bring that down. So right around. Sometimes it's hard to get right on 5. There we go. 15 seconds are right there. At this moment, that's when we are going to download, ladies and gentlemen. So it is going to download MP4. all 3 pages. Unlike other designs we did, we don't need music attached to it. We're going to do all of those things once we get it into the actual video. So while this is downloading, we'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen, I have just switched over to my phone because this is the best way for me, an Android user. I don't know about iPhone or Apple users or anything, but when you do it through the computer, it automatically thinks it's a video. When I do it through my phone, it's better. It does it short. I can pick the music, do whatever I need to do. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go next, pick the video. I want to add the sound, which is at the top. And it gives you the options of, what you want to see. I can also type in love. I think I'm going to do the Bobby Caldwell song. So, ladies and gentlemen, while I add this onto my short, let's just pause for a second and we'll be right back. Now, ladies and gentlemen, now we've picked our song, we can put a caption to it. I'm going to say love and action, not a thought. Okay? And then I'm going to hashtag love, and then I tell everybody, put your own personal hashtag. I've done it so many times on my videos that when you put hashtag Dolores01 in Google, it refers you to my YouTube channel. So, public, it's not made for kids because once you do for kids, it blocks. And then it will upload the shorts. Ladies and gentlemen, it is uploaded. So you can now see the short. It is uploaded. It is uploaded the night before this video comes out. So, can't wait for you all to see it. And can't wait for you all to enjoy it. So, with that being said, let's get back to the regular show. We just uploaded a video short to the channel. I hope this helps you all because you can do this for TikTok. You can record now through Canva your own videos and all these wonderful, wonderful things. So, until then, just a pink girl in her pink world here on YouTube. I enjoy and I'm glad for every one of you that are here today. Peace.